guys, I'm Irenika and I'm glad to see you on my channel. It's my first attempt to speak so long in English, it's not easy for me. Okay, today my friend have a birthday. Her name is Alena. Maybe you remember her? We together made NFC rings and played in VR games. If you want to wish a happy birthday, link on her Instagram will be in the description under this video. It's one of my favorite ideas. Sometimes back I printing similar box for my friend. Now he lives in America, in California. Dear, if you're watching to this point, write in comments, is it really too hard for open this box? If you want to make a such box for one, you need to download my box, link in description under this video, or modeling your version. I'm modeling in OpenSCAD because I'm programmer and I like do it in text. I'm a little worried because it's not usual for me speaking English. For next, you need to buy candies from the store. Advice from me: buy more than you need because it's so difficult. Do not eat candies while 3D printing. Do not fill the candies to the brim, otherwise you can melt the packaging. To tie a bow beautiful is very difficult. I tried several times to make it out of tape, then out of paper. I even tried to print it, but at the same I could. See, it's so nice and good. For next, I will give this to Alena. I hope she will really like this. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Put like, write comments, and see you later. Bye!